Don't stop.
Det går in där.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Hey, buddy. Having fun? I know, I didn't realize that. Exciting, isn't it?
sick and miserable. My name is Trans Fat Cat, and I am a big old honking lump of grease. I like to hang out in your heart and your blood vessels so I can keep them from working properly. I may even go and live in your brain and cause your brain to explode. That's called a stroke. How do I get into those hiding places? Whenever you eat foods that are filled with trans fats. Yummy, yummy, greasy food. These foods taste so good, yet are so bad for you. What kinds of food contain me? Oh, snacky foods, greasy, salty, sugary, cheesy poofs, yummy fried potato chunks, and choco-luscious cookie crackers. Trans fats makes them taste like they are fresh, even if they've been on the shelf for months and months. Phony, yummy-ocity foods in plastic bags, just waiting to go live in your heart and blood. You like me, don't you? You don't care if I make you feel bad, or look even worse or sickly, do you? If you eat foods filled with trans fats such as cookies, pizza, and cakes, often and every day, you will feel sluggish, drabby, and flappy, just like me. So go ahead, have another slice of cake. It tastes so delicious.
This is great. This cat is like...
Alright, he's standing on the edge of a bathtub. It looks like there's a little bit of water in it.
There is a little bit of water.
But not a lot. It's like an inch or two of water.
I'm a cat.
He's doing the catwalk on the edge of the tub.
I'm gonna reach my paw and see what's up.
He's reaching in.
Oh, fuck, it's water. Oh, fuck, I can't get back out.
He's got two arms in the tub, but the legs are still on the...
Oh, fuck, I'm in the water. Oh, my God, I can't get out of the tub. Oh, Jesus, fuck.
Jag är Peter och man kommer runt det personer som tar över. Jag är med sig för man inte behöver det. Men jag kan inte vara det nog blir 5, 4. Den är tid. Jag kan hålla det själv från. Helvete. Hit om det. Ja, jag vet. Kommer runt det personer som tar över. Jag är med sig för man inte behöver det. Men jag kan inte vara det nog blir 5, 4. Den är tid. Jag kan hålla det själv från. Helvete. Hit om det. Ja, jag vet.